Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This was dropped last week. This is the KITH that was a collaborate with Coca-Cola, and this is the slide or the slip-on sandal. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Somehow it got rerouted to San Diego. I'm not sure why. That's why it caused a little bit of the delay. As you can see, the box is all banged up. Got a cardboard protection. Gotta make sure there's no there's invoice down there. Let's see. So this is the description. KITH Coca-Cola slide. This is red color, size 9, and then the SKU number is A11278. Unit price is $32 plus $10 shipping plus tax. I'm not sure, we didn't show over here, but we had to pay the shipping and then tax. So this is the slide or the slip-on. Oh my god, why is it dirty? So this is the first time we cup the KITH apparels. Or accessories. This is what it says on the back right here. So when you buy it, make sure you got this sticker from other resellers on eBay or whatever. And then you're supposed to have this Coca-Cola, Coke, the contour bottle design and dynamic ribbon device are trademarks of the Coca-Cola Company. 2018, the Coca-Cola Company, all right reserved. Distributed by KITH, and then they give it a warning about the suffocation in regards to children or babies. Don't put this back over the beds or the carriage. So you got it separated by this line right here. So here it goes. Got the box logo of KITH. I don't know, man. The quality is kind of pretty bad. Already I see like a glue. So $32. Wow. And I guess that's a Euro size 42. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. It's kind of like a contour right here. It's go in on both sides. So I'm not sure is it going to be comfortable or what they. And it says made in China. And then this one right here, I'm not sure why is it dirty right there. That's kind of bad quality control. I don't like it when the quality control is bad, like the Supreme and some other one. It's kind of getting worse. As you can see like a glue right there, all the way around here, the edges. So this one is pretty soft, like a cushioning, or almost like a soft cushioning. And then this is padded. I don't know, it doesn't look too, it looks kind of cheap to me. As you can see, You see the glue right here and glue right there. If you guys want to, if the kids want to charge more for this kind of sandal, and you can see the dirtiness right here, kind of blackish, and with the glue all around here. So I'm not sure if this thing is worth $32 just because of the brand. I'd rather wear my Nike Adidas slip-on that I did the unboxing. That one was very comfortable, and then the sole right here was very, very soft. Well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop in your comments on below. Yeah, I know what you guys are waiting for, to do a test on the slip-on, try it on. So let's go ahead and then try them on real quick for you guys to see. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like always, peace.